Hey guys, how is it going? My name is Janice Barta. I'm the principal founder here at Barta Interiors. Welcome to my house. I'm really excited to show you guys a little bit about the place, not only where I live, but also where I work. I'm super excited to show you around. Come take a tour. Welcome to my office, one of my favorite rooms in this home. We have these floor-to-ceiling window units, not to mention these amazing 11-foot ceilings that not only creates volume, but brings so much light and makes this room feel so much bigger than it actually is. We have these great, beautiful 9-foot double doors that open up into this office space. The finishes we chose here is white oak. The use of wood became a part of the architecture of the interior. And in the center of this room is this fabulous Jean-Louis Donnet dining table, where I have a little spot to put all my favorite little accessories. To finish off this look, I added this Turkish Uşak vintage rug and paired it with fun and funky white and black chairs. That is enough of work. Let's go check out where I love to entertain and party. You guys, this is my favorite place. This is my kitchen. This is where I get down and dirty every day after work when I'm making a meal for my family. Given the fact that I wanted to use a lot of the wood and the warmth, we broke it up by doing the lower cabinets in a paint color and then did the upper cabinets in wood. The marble is my wow moment. I feel like it has a timeless element and it's not something that you would necessarily get tired of. Something that I really thought was important in the house was not to create a bunch of light fixtures that all seemed too similar. So these were a little bit more industrial than the rest of the fixtures in my house. And when food's ready, we head on over to the dining area. And in the center of the room, I have this large 9 to 10 foot white oak custom designed dining table. I have hundreds of Dorothy Thorpe glassware. I have a lot of plates, which are a little bit more rare. Everything in our house is about layers. And next up is the living room. And in our living room, we got this fun, funky white sculpture. The reason why we positioned the sofa in this direction was not only to service the TV, it was also open to the rest of the room, the dining, the kitchen, and creating sort of a circular conversation of the space. This fireplace creates a lot of warmth in the space, and we highlighted it with a little bit of the reclaimed brick, which we also use on the outside of the house. Kids are spontaneous. I had to figure out a way of showing my own son's personality into the space. We started with an accent wall, a gallery wall of sorts of different kind of art. Every space I wanted to find something that individually felt connected to that room. And in this room, we found this lamp. You can change out whatever your favorite toy is of the week or the month. Basically like a little display, a moment where you can have some fun. Compared to other rooms, the master suite was a place where I was able to soften things up. I used natural linen bed coverings. There's a beautiful black embroidered trim. I kept all the colors really light, just keeping a little focal point on the artwork. I found this light at a craft fair. I fell in love with it immediately. The fact that it had sort of this origami vibe, this light in particular spoke to me because it really felt like something that was unique and special. Adjacent to the master is the bathroom, which is another place where I got to have a little bit of fun with that crazy marble. We found two beautiful slabs that I fell in love with right off the bat. We used one of the slabs for the shower, floor to ceiling. The second slab we used for our countertop, and that one was a little bit more subtle in tone. When you look up, you don't see just one, but 3 of those fabulous origami lights that I have in my master bedroom. Thank you so much for coming to my home. I hope you really got a sense of what we put into this house and the design. See you guys soon.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?